Hello everyone, this is Moa madam and it's a small attempt from my side to prepare a video for your benefit. So I have chosen chapter 3 of class 10, acids, bases and salts. I'll try to cover up acids and bases in one video, and for salts I'll make another video. So let's straight away get to the chapter. Acids. Now acids are compounds which dissolve in water to furnish H3O plus ions as the only positively charged ions. I repeat, acids are compounds which dissolve in water to produce H3O plus or hydronium ions as the only positively charged ions. So HCl dissolves in water to give H3O plus chloride anion. So HCl is an acid. Similarly, we have sulfuric acid dissolving in water to furnish H3O plus sulfate. So sulfuric acid is also an acid. Now let's study about the classification of acids. There are various bases on which these classifications are made. The first one is based on the source from which acids are derived. Now depending upon the sources, we can have organic acids or inorganic acids. Organic acids are those which are derived from plants. Examples are acetic acid, oxalic acid, tartaric acid, etc. Inorganic acids, as the name suggests, these are prepared or these are obtained from inorganic compounds, and examples are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, phosphoric acid, etc. The next basis of classification is on the basis of strength of the acid. Now an acid can be a strong acid or a weak acid depending upon the extent to which an acid ionizes. For example, a strong acid is one which dissolves in water and ionizes completely to give H3O plus ions. Examples of strong acids are sulfuric acid, nitric acid and hydrochloric acid. A weak acid is one which ionizes partially or feebly to produce H3O plus ions. Examples are carbonic acid, phosphoric acid, etc. The third classification is based on the concentration of the acid. Now this depends upon the relatively concentration of water or the amount of water contained in the acid. Depending on this, we have a dilute acid or a concentrated acid. A dilute acid is one which contains relatively more amount of water, whereas a concentrated acid is one which contains more amount of acid than water. The next basis of classification is on the composition of the acid. Now depending upon the composition of the acid, we have hydracids or oxyacids. Now hydracids are acids which have hydrogen and one another nonmetal. For example, HCl, hydrogen sulfide, etc. Oxyacids are those which contain oxygen along with hydrogen and another nonmetal. Examples of oxyacids are sulfuric acid, phosphoric acid, nitric acid, etc. The last classification is on the basis of the basicity of an acid. Now what is the basicity of an acid? It is defined as the number of H plus ions that can be produced per molecule of an acid in its aqueous solution. That can be produced or furnished per molecule of an acid in an aqueous solution. Now it's just a number. For example, the basicity of HCl is 1, which means HCl or one molecule of HCl